Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, SmallwoodWorldWide. We're back again with another video. And today, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max FineWoven case, MagSafe of course, as well as the new iPhone FineWoven wallet. Now, you can pick both of these items up at the Apple Store or apple.com. As you know, in 1 week from today, when this video does release, the new iPhone will be released. Now, Apple is also doing away with leather cases. We're going to take a look at what this FineWoven case feels like. Let's open it up. Let's go ahead and take time here. As you see, we got like a berry color. Rip that off. Reach in, pull that out, set that to the side. Let's look at that. That looks gorgeous. Very nice. Let's pop this out. Get a chance to. They have it in there nice and secure. Paperwork, take that. More paperwork, remove that. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Let's touch that. So this, very similar to the leather, is very buttery smooth inside. Let's turn it over. As you can see, embossed on here is the Apple logo. Very subtle. Where this differs from the leather is that I would say this is a little bit better inside the hands. If you take a look here, the buttons, all 4 of them are made of aluminum. As you can see, this is for the new action button. Looking forward to putting that to work. And overall, this is a very nice feeling case here. So this FineWoven material, as they start to migrate away from leather, is actually pretty good. I like it. Now, let's take a look at it in comparison to the old leather case. One thing that comes to mind immediately, the leather case is a little more sticky to the touch. The FineWoven, again, it's a very almost sleek material. But what I will say about this FineWoven, I think that the wallet is going to stick to it and not slide, unlike the leather. And with that said, let's go ahead and move that out the way. Let's pop open this iPhone wallet. They always have it nice and secure here. We can get it out. Guess it might help if I just pull this tab, right? There we are. There she is. Look at that. This is gorgeous, ladies and gents. Let's move those boxes and books. Slide this out. It's a little tough to slide this out, but we'll get it. What I will tell you in the meantime, this material, just like this, both FineWoven, feels really good in the hands. It's very soft, feels very premium. Definitely, if you get an opportunity, go inside the Apple Store. As you can see, the embossed Apple logo again. And give this a run. Let's see, does it stick? Very nice. Take a look at that. Ladies and gents, this is the unboxing of the FineWoven material, MagSafe, Apple Wallet, MagSafe, iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Once again, you can pick both up at apple.com or inside your local Apple Store. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Are you looking forward to the new iPhone 15 Pro Max or the regular iPhone 15 or the iPhone 15 Plus? Are you planning on getting one of these new FineWoven cases, or are you addicted to the leather life? Either way, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again soon in a new edition of The Random. Peace.